Here's a truth that most men completely miss about women. Over 85% of women don't feel genuine arousal until one hidden factor is triggered first. And it has nothing to do with your looks, your body, or your money. If you've ever been in a situation where things felt promising, she was laughing, leaning closer, maybe even flirting. But then, when it came to the moment of intimacy, she suddenly pulled back. You know how confusing and frustrating it can be. The reason? Female arousal doesn't follow the same rules as male arousal. It's not a light switch you can flip. It's a process, a sequence. And unless you understand the 5 stages that unlock real desire, you'll keep running into the same wall again and again. So what are the 5 stages? Stage 1. Psychological safety. Before anything physical, her mind is asking, can I trust this man? Am I safe to be vulnerable here? If the answer is no, attraction never moves forward. Stage 2. Mental stimulation. Women are aroused through the mind first, engaging her thoughts, sparking curiosity, playful banter, deep conversations. These ignite the desire long before anything physical happens. Stage 3. Anticipation and tension. Most men rush, but attraction grows in the space between moments, the looks, the subtle touches, the suspense. When she says, slow down, she isn't rejecting you. She's asking you to build the fire the right way. Stage 4. Emotional connection. Physical chemistry without emotional intimacy feels flat. But when she feels truly seen, understood, and valued, every moment with you becomes electric. Stage 5. Physical spark. Only after all 4 stages are met does physical attraction become explosive. At this point, she craves your presence, not because of a trick, but because the bond is real. Here's the mistake. Most men start at stage 5, and they wonder why she pulls away. But women are wired differently. For 85% of them, desire only arrives after the first 4 stages. And once you understand this, you stop chasing. You stop guessing. Instead, you become the kind of man she feels safe with, drawn to, and deeply connected to. This isn't about pickup lines or manipulation. It's about understanding female psychology. And when you get this right, attraction stops being a mystery. If you want to master these 5 stages, not just in theory, but in practice, click the link below and watch the full breakdown. Because once you know how female arousal actually works, you'll never see dating and relationships the same way again.